Hello YouTube. Today we got the 100-watt solar panel or solar kit from Harbor Freight. It's the product number 63585. As you can see, we did get this one at the discounted price. It's an open box item. That's the other side of the box. Says it includes 4 solar panels, 25 watts each, a charge controller, some wires, 2 light bulbs, and a 100-watt total USB port. And I guess you could use it for boat, a trailer, or cabin, or something like that. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's get to unboxing. As you can see, you got the smaller box here. Got the charge controller. Like I said, this was an open box item. You got the wires to the batteries and the charge controller. We got a light bulb here, a LED light bulb. Got another second LED light bulb. Some hardware for the solar panels. I guess it's for the solar panels. And some more wiring to connect the solar panels. It has 4 ends here where you connect all 4 of them, and then you got another connector here for the back here. And then we got the solar panel. As you can see, there's a light on already on this one because I got light pointing to it. But yeah, blue, it means it's charging. Or and this is the back. It says 18 volt 25 watt solar panel from Thunderbolt. Because this is how you stand it up. That's what it looks like when you stand it up. And that's the other side. Yeah. Well, this is my quick review. I'm just gonna pull out one for now because we're gonna be doing another video where we're gonna be installing them. I'm probably gonna build a frame or get some other equipment, buy a battery, and yeah, I'll probably go ahead and get all that equipment and get it together, and I'll make another video. Well, this was my quick review of this 100 watt solar panel from Harbor Freight, and item number is 63585. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.